Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on Backup and tap on Next. Tap on Add Account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now. So here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright. And tap on Next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can tap on them to read more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data, or both. It's totally up to you. Simply mark the option and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.